My name is rahmadzuladzha and I'm from Department of Building Surveying, Faculty of Built Environment, University of Malaya. And now we're doing from BIB2006 Building Pathology, and we're doing a video about building defects. And now I want to show you my case study, Gymnasium 1. Now let's go. Whoa! Hi, welcome back to my channel. Like I've told you before, I want to tell you about building defects. First of all, I want to tell you about ficus. What we all know about ficus? Ficus is a type of plant, and it was spread by birds because the fruits of the ficus is so attractive, it's colorful, so birds like to eat it, and the birds will spread the seeds to the building, and the building, it will affect the building structure actually, so it will cause crack and so more. So as we all know, this is ficus building defects. Bam, bam, boom, bam. The roots of the plants actually will cause lots of trouble to the building structure. It will cause it will affect the external wall actually. It will cause crack and so more. Furthermore, it may look normal, but it will cause severe and critical problems in the future. Now, let's go to the next building defect. Let's go. The next building defect that we can see is mold. Mold happens because there's a presence of sunlight and humidity, mostly about the moisture. It happens on the external wall. See, this is mold. It's greenish thing. If it's blackish, it's not mold. It's greenish, so it's mold. Mold is a building defect. It will affect the aesthetic and the cosmetic of the building itself. So it will look not nice in the eyes of the occupants. Oh, hi! Besides on the external wall, mold also can happen here, where the water flow. Here, when the rain is pouring, so it will flow to here. It will cause there is a humidity here. So the mold will present here, where it presents what I said before, present of sunlight and humidity. Next. Now, yeah, you come back. Let's go to the next building defect. Beside molds, we also have peeling of paints. Peeling of paints happens same like mold. It also happens because there's a moisture on the external wall itself. So it will cause the peeling of paint. Here, right here I can show you. There's a peeling of paint. It happens because the paint loses its adhesion on the surface, on the external wall itself. So it will lose adhesion and it will cause the peeling of paint. And it also may be because it is applied, the paint is applied on wet condition on the first step. So it will also cause this building defect. And it affects the aesthetic of the building, aesthetic condition of the building. It will not, but remember, when you touch something dirty, please always clean your hands. Make sure you boom. The next building defect that I want to talk about is efflorescence. Efflorescence is actually a crystalline or powdery deposits which happens on the external wall of the building, like this. This is a crystalline building, but this is crystal, which it happens due to the salt presence on the building materials. As I said before, it happens due to the presence of salt on the building materials. So it will cause the aesthetic problems and aesthetic defect on the building itself. It will not look beautiful if you see like this. You see the salt presence here. It's whitish in color. So it will not look nice. I don't know what. Efflorescence will ruin the appearance of the building and physically damage the paint layer. It happens on the paint. It will crystallize on the paint, and it happens because of poor construction or maybe poor workmanship. You think about it. Ready for the final defect? Let's go. Follow me. Another building defect and the final building defect that we can see is cracking. Cracking on the structure of the building itself. Cracking is so important that we must be taken care of because it affects the structure of the building, the stability of the building, and also the safety of the occupant itself. So it must be taken care. From what we can see here, the width of this cracking is 7mm. 7mm. There are 5 level of cracking. There are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now it is in level 3. Level 3 where it more than 5mm. So it one of severe, and we must take care of this crack. And the length of this crack, as we can see, is in 64 centimeter. And it is caused by, as you can see here, come. My cameraman, come here. From the other building defects that I've told you before, it affects the aesthetic more on the aesthetic purpose, of the building. But this one, besides aesthetic purpose, it affects the structure of the building, the column of the building, and as you can see here, the cracks originally come from the slab itself. From what I've told you before, the cracking origins from the different slab of the building. So they have different floor. Here's higher floor than there. So this will cause the cracking, and also the structural movement and the ground movement itself. So besides, it may be because of poor workmanship when it was done. Poor workmanship. Remember, poor workmanship. Avoid it. Do your work properly, surveyors. In my conclusion, you as a future surveyors, we must take care of every defect that we see, as even it may look normal to you, it may look small, the cracks may look small, but it will create a bigger problems in the future. So we as a building surveyor, we must take these things as a big problem, as a serious problem, because we have to try and figure out how to solve this problem. Yes, I get it now. And like my old man has said, that sikit-sikit lama-lama jadi bukit. So the problems that we see as normal right now, as small right now, it will become bigger in the future. Okay, now do you want to be a building surveyor?